So my name is Josh Hudson. I'm the regional sales manager for the Southeast for LNS. I cover all LNS products, including chip blaster, high pressure coolant systems as well. Really, we are the peripheral supplier, so we're the leading peripheral supplier. Our motto is Peripheral Vision, so really just looking at how can we make the machines more efficient and really just take them to the next level. So, I like to say that, these machines out here, like these Okuma machines, they're the Ferrari and we're the tires, right? You don't want to put wagon wheels on a Ferrari. So we're really just going to take it to the next level and help the customer really maximize the lights out potential and limit downtime on the machines. Everybody knows it's really hard to find good help these days, right? And more people are getting into the industry now, but we do have a gap. And so if you can put a bar feeder on a machine, on a lathe, and have a couple lathes with a couple bar feeders and one guy running multiple machines, right, then that's less room for error. You don't have to find that help. You can have lower skilled help, and you're just going to pump out more parts. You can run lights out, so you don't have to worry about, do we have somebody staffing that machine? And it's just going to run, right? So, you're not making money unless you're cutting, and that's really what our products allow them to do. So, bar feeder is really the simplest form of automation, but we look at other things like filtering chip conveyors. That's a form of automation, taking the chips out, keeping customers from having to clean their tanks as often. So no, it's really straightforward. Our products are very good because they blend in. They're just there. If I get a call from a customer and they're having a problem, or they know our products specifically, this, and this, that's not my goal. My goal is I want it to disappear because it's so easy to use that they just don't even pay attention to it. Okuma's great because, we do partner with a lot of different machine tool companies, but Okuma really, we work very, very close with them. Things like this, right? We're able to tie into the process, to the automation. We have a thing called eConnect, so we can actually, it's like ties into shop floor software. You'll be able to monitor that. So that's some things that we work really closely with Okuma to help kind of take to the next level. And then also just this facility, it's a very nice facility. It's really set up for great demos and being able to show off product. Okuma does have the same mindset that we do. We're really customer focused, right? And Okuma's is customer for life, and we want to help take that customer to the next level. We want that bar feeder customer to continue to be a bar feeder customer, and Okuma is very, very easy to work with. We get very, very good information from Okuma, and it's just really, it's a pleasure.